This is Mr. Evans. In this video I'm going to do a quick overview of the Paper 2 exam. So the Paper 2 exam, it's worth 50% of the final AS grade, 90 minutes, 80 marks, and what's assessed is everything that has been covered. So anything in the content that you've covered in your AS course this year from these 6 units can be tested in the exam, so you need to make sure obviously that you revise everything, you know all of those key terms, all of the formulas, etc. Okay, so anything from any of these units is going to be assessed. This year it's on Friday the 26th of May in the afternoon. As I say, 90-minute exam, 80 marks, which works out at approximately 1 mark a minute, with 10 minutes reading and planning time. Now, that 10 minutes reading and planning time is really essential in this exam. This time, with Paper 2, there is just one case study that the entire exam is based on. So, in a way, it's easier than Paper 1 because in Paper 1 you've got to get, there's context questions, there's 2 case studies that you've got to read. In this one, there's 1 case study, which arguably is slightly easier because, you get to know the business over the course of the exam, and by the time you're answering the final couple of questions, you should know the case study quite well. So how's it set out? Well, the case study opens with 10 marks of calculation, knowledge, application questions, just quite short questions that kind of will help you warm up, get into the exam. You then have 2 9-mark analyse questions, 2 16-mark evaluation questions, and a 20-mark evaluation question as well. And the language that they use with this 20-mark question is quite interesting. And I will do a video on the 20-mark question and how it's slightly different to the 16-mark questions that are asked. It's all about application, but I will explain that in a later video.